Hi! Let's make a cute coquette bow that can be used for a keychain or a hair clip. Subscribe to my channel for aesthetic DIYs. To start off making the bows, you'll need pink or red satin ribbon, green satin ribbon, lace, pearls, jewelry wire, a lighter, a needle or a tweezer, a glue gun. We will first start off making a satin bow. Cut around 60 centimeters of my red satin ribbon. I hold the ribbon and wrap it around my index and middle finger, spread apart 3 times. When I hit the third round, I take my satin and I pull it through the gap between my 2 fingers. I wrap the ribbon around and cross it over my third loop on my middle finger and pull my ribbon through the loop. Afterwards, I pull tightly. The third loop serves as a knot and you should have 2 loops on each finger. Adjust the loops to get the perfect proportion and then cut the ribbon tails to your desired length. Our first satin bow is done. Now it's time to make a beaded pearl bow. I cut off my jewelry wire that's about 50 centimeters long. I take my 4mm pearl beads. I thread 10 pearls onto the wire for one side of the bow. To form the first loop, I take another bead which I will use as a connector bead, where I'll thread the 2 wire ends through the pearl. Now I will continue to make the second loop of the bow. I will take my pearl beads again and thread 10 pearls. I will take the end of the wire and thread it through the connector bead. Once I have my 2 loops, now it's time to make the tails. I will thread 15 pearls on each side. To secure the tails, I skip the last pearl and thread back again through the previous 3 pearls to reinforce the bow shape. This part can be a bit challenging, and you need to wiggle and adjust your wire and pearls slightly to be able to pull the wire through. Once you thread the wire, wrap the remaining wire around itself to secure everything. Now repeat the same process for the other tail. To finish off the beaded pearl bow, trim off the excess wire. And make sure that there is no wire sticking out. Now our beaded bow to lay over our satin bow is done. Next, we'll make a small satin rose for the center decoration. If you'd like a detailed step-by-step tutorial on satin roses, check out my dedicated video linked in the description below. But here a quick version of how to do it. Take a small strip of satin ribbon and use tweezers to grip one end and begin wrapping the ribbon around itself. Secure the layers with hot glue as you go. This will hold the rose shape. Keep twisting and wrapping until you're happy with the size. Then trim and seal the end with a lighter. I also want to add leaves to my rose, so I take the green ribbon and cut a short piece and I glued the two ends together. Then I placed my little rose on top so that I have a final little rose with leaves. It's time to put everything together now to create this beautiful hair clip. I cut 50 centimeters of lace and fold both ends towards the center, overlapping slightly to form the base. Then I layer the satin bow on top, followed by the pearl beaded bow. I cut a 10 centimeter piece of satin ribbon and tie it around so that the layers are secured, and I place the knot on the back. I trim any loose threads and use a lighter to seal the edges for a clean finish. I take the satin rose and glue it to the center of the bow. Now I apply hot glue to the back and attach the bow to a hair clip. And just like that, we have a charming coquette bow hair clip, perfect for adding a vintage-inspired touch to any hairstyle. For the keychain version, I'm using pink satin ribbon for a soft romantic look. I layer the lace satin ribbon and the beaded bow just like before. Then I tie a small satin ribbon around the center to hold it together. I place the knot on the back of the bow. For the finishing touch of the bow, I add my pink satin rose and glue it to the middle of my bow. Now to make the keychain, I take a jump ring and I open the jump ring with pliers. I loop the jump ring into the satin band at the back of the bow, where I just used that one to make a knot to tie the bow together. Then I attach a keychain ring to the jump ring and close it tightly. And that's it, our coquette bow keychain is complete. If you want more aesthetic DIY tutorials like these, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.